Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to minimize pores from being seen. These will be some easy steps towards clearing up your skin. So if you want to clear up your skin and minimize your pores from being seen, this is how to do it. I'll be going over 5 easy steps. They're really simple. This video will be quick because, to be honest with you, it shouldn't be super complex. It should be really simple. So these are the 5 things that you should do, and you should do these on a daily basis, and they will help you really reduce your pores from being seen. I'm working on it right now because my pores, you can still see them, but I'm working on doing more of these incorporating more of these into my daily routine so that I can minimize my visibility of my pores on my nose and throughout my face as well. All right, so number 1, let's get into this. Number 1, wear sunscreen. Super important to wear sunscreen, like literally every single day. Summer, spring, fall, winter, all the time. The sun's always out. You should always wear sunscreen. I know this because I'm bald, so I always have to wear sunscreen. I try to wear it every day. It doesn't always happen, but I try my best. So wear sunscreen. It will really, it will help your skin maintain its youth, and therefore your pores will be minimal with regards to how much you can see them. Number 2, clean your skin daily, okay? And twice a day is ideal. Once in the morning, once at night. And I'll tell you why. Your pores are more likely to be seen when they are dirty. So if there's less dirt in your pores, they have less visibility. They're less visible. So clean your skin daily and try for twice a day. Once in the morning, once at night. Doesn't have to be something crazy. Just clean your skin. Basic soap and water is totally fine. It doesn't have to be any crazy amount of products. Just trust me, okay? Look at my skin. Look at this. I literally basically don't use anything on my skin. I wear sunscreen and I wash my skin. And I don't have the best skin ever, but it's pretty good considering the fact that I'm 35 and I sleep basically 5 to 6 hours a night. My skin looks great, not gonna lie, and I haven't worked out in like years. Okay, anyways, number 3, I'd say given those circumstances, my skin is pretty good. Number 3, keep your skincare routine simple. Less is more. If you have 5, 10 different products that you're using, it's too much, okay? Less is more. I've watched many videos, read many articles from many dermatologists, and they all say less is more. You wanna pick a few key products and lotions, just a few things. Like I would say 2 or 3 max, and you wanna use those. And you don't necessarily need to use them every day, but 2 or 3 maximum products, use those. Keep your skincare routine simple. Like I said, I basically wear sunscreen as often as I can, and I wash my skin once in the morning, and I shower at night, in which I wash my skin in the shower, obviously. That's simple, okay? Keep it simple, silly. Number 4, keep it simple. What did you think I was gonna say? You thought I was gonna say keep it simple, whoop, right? But I said keep it simple, silly. Don't forget that. Okay, anyways, silly, let's move on to number 4. Moisturize daily, okay? Now, moisturizing will prevent your pores from getting clogged. So essentially, if you don't moisturize, then your pores might get dirt and oil and grime and whatever inside of them. Whereas if you moisturize, it's going to keep your pores moisturous and therefore keep your pores moist and therefore prevent them from getting anything inside of them, which will make their visibility minimal. So moisturize on a daily basis. Last but not least is number 5, which is to drink a lot of water, which I need to do right now. As you can see, my tongue is super white because I'm so dehydrated. I've been filming a ton of videos right now, but I'm gonna go get a massive bottle of water and drink it right now. But drinking water will make your skin more elastic, and therefore elasticity in the skin keeps it youthful, keeps the pores from being seen as much, and just keeps you looking great. It's that simple. That is how to minimize pores from being seen. Great ways to clear up your skin. So if you want to clear up your skin, minimize your pores from being seen, that's how to do it in 5 simple steps. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.